Anthropic's current model lineup isn't one model. It's 4 Fable 5, Opus 4.8, Sonnet 5, Haiku 4.5. And picking the wrong one costs you either money or capability. Here's exactly which one you need for what. By the way, I'm Alex, and if you want all my AI workflows, prompt packs, and tools like this, you can join our AI creator community. Links in the description. Let's dive in. 4 tiers, 4 jobs. Fable 5 sits at the top, built for long, complex tasks it can run through mostly on its own. Opus 4.8 is the deep reasoning specialist when a problem genuinely needs time to think. This is the one. Sonnet 5 is your daily driver, strong enough for real work, fast enough for back and forth. And Haiku 4.5 is built for speed and volume. Cheapest, fastest, still sharp on anything that doesn't need a deep reasoning chain. Here's where Fable 5 earns the top slot. It's built to work through a task with fewer check-ins than any Claude before it. Point it at something big, and it keeps going without you babysitting it. On SWE Bench Verified, the standard coding benchmark, Fable 5 hits 95%, the best score in the lineup, and honestly, the best Anthropix ever shipped. Opus 4.8 is what you reach for when a problem needs genuine depth, not speed, the kind of task where rushing gets you a wrong answer. It scores just under 89% on that same benchmark. Still excellent, just not built for the same scale of autonomous work. Sonnet 5 covers the wide middle. Coding, writing, analysis, research. Most problems you'll actually run into don't outgrow it, and it holds its own at 85%. And Haiku 4.5 trades depth for speed. It lands at 73% on that same benchmark, a real step down, but at a fraction of the cost. Inside a 200,000 token task, with no deep reasoning chain, nothing in this lineup answers faster. And here's the part that actually decides your bill. Haiku 4.5 runs $1 in, $5 out per million tokens, the cheapest seat at the table. Sonnet 5 is $2 in, $10 out through an introductory window that runs to the end of August. Genuinely aggressive pricing for what you're getting. Opus 4.8 jumps to $5 in, $25 out. 5 times Sonnet's price, and that gap is exactly why you don't default to it for everything. And Fable 5, the top-tier model, runs $10 in, $50 out, the most expensive seat, reserved for the tasks that actually need it. Multiply that out over a real workload, and the difference between defaulting to Opus and actually matching the model to the task can be the difference between a reasonable bill and one that makes your finance team ask questions. So how does this actually play out day to day? Say you're clearing your inbox, 10 quick replies before lunch. That's Haiku 4.5 every time. You'd be paying Opus prices for a job Haiku does just as well. Writing a blog post, reviewing a pull request, doing your daily research. That's Sonnet 5's whole job, and it's fast enough that you're not sitting there waiting. Now say you're debugging something genuinely gnarly, a race condition that only shows up under load, the kind of problem where a wrong guess costs you an afternoon. That's Opus 4.8. You want the model that actually thinks it through, not the fastest guess. And say you've got a real project, refactor this whole module, migrate this codebase, build this feature end to end. That's Fable 5. Point it at the task, walk away, come back to something mostly done instead of babysitting every step. 2 ways people actually adopt this lineup. Start cheap, begin on Haiku 4.5, and only move up when you hit a real capability gap. You'll be surprised how far it gets you. Or start premium, build on Opus 4.8, get the prompt right, then see how far down the stack it still works. Often, a cheaper model handles it fine once the prompt is dialed in. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes early on. Defaulting to the biggest model out of habit for every single task because it feels safest. It isn't. It's just expensive. Match the model to the task, not the task to your default. That one habit change is worth more than any prompt trick. Quick recap before we wrap. Haiku for speed and volume. Sonnet for your daily work. Opus when a problem needs real depth. Fable 5 when you want to hand off something big and walk away. Same brain, 4 different jobs. 4 models, 4 jobs. Pick by task, not by habit. If this saved you from guessing, you know what to do. Join the community, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.